There is one gonna be on the left later.
There's some nice ones coming down that big mountain there. Man, it's a long ways down there. Usually one right. There's one there, but every time you see a crack, there's a water coming out of it.
Man, I don't know. It's probably hard to hike these hills.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think our snowmobiles will climb that.
No way. Even it's snow. Look, that's a straight shoots right here. I don't know how they did road right here. They just probably
just cut a hole
off a little bit.
I don't know. Yeah, because this is really, they built it on the side of a cliff. I mean, I'm looking straight down. I mean, there's a river right straight down below us.
Now, I hate this corners.
Ugh. It's a good workout because I got to hang on. I wish it wasn't foggy. Careful, you'll lose all your diesel. Look how slow they're going. Why did I get stuck behind them?
I know that's probably grandma on the Subaru. She thinks it's slippery, probably.
The Subarus do good. Oh, there's a nice one there.
They're good, but there's the old drivers. Don't forget that.
They can't see it. Darn it. Oh man, there's a huge waterfall back in that mountain. This is a really cool place. I mean, those things are dropping. Some of those are way over 500 feet.
Those two, remember we see those really nice ones.
Yeah, those
like
are
behind that fox. I mean,
that's like.
Hey, can you think how fast water going over there?
I know it's just pure white. They can generate some power.
Flying. It's just straight downhill. It's almost like probably, I don't know, 70%.
Yeah.
Hill.
There's a waterfall there. I see it, but I don't know where it's coming from. It's coming out of the mountain. No. Oh, that one I saw, we're going to drive by it.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's just what, yeah, we're here, but over there it looks pretty awesome.
This one not bad too.
Oh, that's cool. So it wasn't. Like you're spinning your tires.
I think I'm spinning my tranny. I hate this one.
Why?
I don't know, it's just too slow.
I mean, it was a big workout on the sled with the wet snow.
Oh, it is.